In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook, and we're going to start right away. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook account. Then once you're on your home page, tap on your profile icon. It's in the top right hand corner of your screen. Then under your menu, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then next here, you need to tap on settings. Then under your settings, you will see all these options. Now you need to scroll down to preferences, and once you're here, tap on reaction preferences, and it's the second option right here. Then next, under hide number of reactions, you have these options to choose, right? On post from others and on your post. So you can enable them by tapping on this button right here, and it will be turned on to blue color, and from there likes will be hidden on your Facebook account. So guys, that's how you can hide likes on Facebook. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.